Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Norwegian cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Norwegian Sun. Now this particular category is an Aft-Facing Club Balcony Suite. You're going to have some upgrades over the standard balcony, and I'll go through that in just a minute, and of course quite a bit more space. But before we go through that and review the amenities, make sure when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceania, you do it right on HarTravel.com or reach out to your HarTravel advisor. We know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now, one of the best benefits of this particular room is you're going to get access to booking reservations at the specialty restaurants 5 full days ahead of everybody else. That's 125 days out, so you'll be able to get exactly what you want at that time. In addition, there's a ton of additional space. Let me show you what that's all about. Now, when you walk in the door, you've got this nice little nook. You can leave your belongings so you don't forget to grab them on the way out. And then I also love that you have a charger there. Now, as we step into the bathroom, this is by far the biggest difference that you're going to find. You've got a nice little vanity here to sit and get ready. You'll have a plug right above and then a plug underneath. One's US and one's Euro. Now, I always bring an extra European adapter and converter or two so I could take advantage of all the plugs in the room. You'll have a hair dryer, and then on this side, you have a ton of hanging storage space. Goes all the way to the back. You're gonna have drawers all the way up and down, and then in here, you're gonna find your safe. Perfect size for a passport or a wallet, not quite big enough for a full-size laptop. Another great feature is you've got the waffle robes here. They're nice and comfy. When you step into here, this is by far the biggest difference between a balcony room. You've got the water closet tucked just behind, and then you have a really nice large vanity here. Tons of storage underneath. These open up for storage as well. And then you're also going to find a plug for your razor. Now, you have a step-in shower tub combo. I'm a really big guy. I'm 6'6", so I just barely fit in here, but I actually do. I wanted to point that out. But what's so great about this is not just the shower space, but it's a huge bathtub, so it's big enough even for me to soak. You step out here really quick, and I'll point out you have your adjustable shower wand up and down there. You're going to find your bath amenities here, and then you've got your towels tucked just behind. Now, it does have a shower curtain. I wish it was a shower door, but there is a ton of space for a non-suite room. Now, as we head into the bedroom, it really opens up. You've got a nice large couch right here that does fold out for additional bedding. So if you have more than 2 passengers staying in the room, or of course, if you're traveling with friends, you can utilize that. Directly across, you're going to find the large bed. It is one of the largest standard beds in the industry. It will separate apart into 2 twins if you're looking to do that. In that case, the nightstands would move to the middle to provide a little bit of extra separation. There's a ton of space underneath the bed for storage, and I love that underneath the lights, you're going to have a USB charger on either side so you can charge your device overnight. You've got a writing desk right here on the side with 2 US plugs and 2 European plugs. Always bring those extra adapters and converters, and then you can use all of them. You've got storage underneath here, and then right here you're going to find your mini fridge. You've got a little bit more storage up above, and then your large flat panel TV can be angled at the bed, or it can be angled at the couch, whichever your preference. Lastly, you do have a US plug and a European plug just underneath here. Now, this is an aft-facing room, which I absolutely love. Let me take you outside and show you what that's all about. So now we're out on your private balcony. You've got 2 chairs and a table right here. It's that perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening. Or another great feature is you actually have a dining room table out here, so you can move those right over and have a full meal outside and really enjoy what cruising is all about. To me, it's that fresh air, the incredible ever-changing views, and when I'm in the aft of the ship watching the wake kick up in the distance, my blood pressure goes down, my smile gets really big, and I know that I'm back in my home away from home. Now, when you're ready to book this room, maybe you want to check out all those incredible suites on this ship. You can see that on our channel as well, but make sure you reach out to HarTravel. We are your cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way.